Jatreya was born in Kedi village in the middle of thick green jungles and hills. His people had been living here for many years, even before his grandfather was born. There was peace in Jatreya's village, but not silence. There were so many soothing sounds, the gurgle of the flowing river, the murmur of trees, and the chirping of birds. People did farming there. They would go to the nearby forest, chatting and singing together, to collect wood, to collect wild fruits, roots and dried wood. While working with elders, children also learnt many things: to dance together, to play flute and dhol, to make pots of clay and bamboo, to recognize birds and imitate their sounds, etc. People collected things from forests for their use. Some of those they would sell in the town across the river. With that money, they would buy salt, oil, rice, and some clothes. Yes, Kedi was a village, but people here lived together like a big family. Jatreya's sister was married in the same village. People helped each other in good and bad times. The elders would arrange weddings and settle quarrels. Jatreya was then a strong young man. He worked hard in the fields and caught fish from the big river. He and his friends would go to the forest to collect fruits, roots, and plants for medicine, and fish from the river to sell these in the town. During festival time, Jatreya would dance and play the drum with boys and girls of his age. In Kedi village, what all did children learn? In Kedi village, children learned to dance, to play flute and dhol, make pots of clay and bamboo, recognize birds and imitate their sounds, to do farming, to collect things from forest and to catch fish from river. What do we learn from our elders? We learn many things from our elders. We learn the ethics and values. We learn to respect elders. We learn to maintain love and affection with the friends, neighbors, brothers and sisters. We learn to help mother and father and others too in household jobs. We learn to value humanity and realize the value of a birth on this earth. We learnt about the Kedi village. Now let's glance some importance of forest. The importance of forest cannot be underestimated. We depend on forests for our survival, from the air we breathe to the wood we use. Besides providing habitats for animals and livelihoods for humans, forests also offer watershed protection, prevention of soil erosion, and mitigate climate change. Trees use the carbon dioxide which we breathe out and in turn give us the oxygen which we breathe in. Forests consume the airborne carbon dioxide that in turn helps to reduce global warming. Trees planted in the houses help to keep us cool and reduce the energy needed to keep environment cool. Trees absorb the water from soil and releases it into the atmosphere. They have an influence on atmospheric conditions which can cause rain. Forests decrease the air pollution. Forests help to maintain water cycle and maintain rich oxygen level in the air. Many plants can be found in forests that are used to make medicines. Nuts, berries, mushrooms, fruits, sap and seeds are provided by trees. Forests also support so many animals and other creatures. Forests provide jobs. Not only do forests keep soil in place, they also prevent soil erosion. Afforestation means option A, cutting down of trees, forests, option B, transpiration, option C, growing more trees, option D, respiration. Yes, the right answer is growing more trees. Option C, growing more trees. Deforestation means option A, cutting down of forests, option B, transpiration, option C, growing more trees, option D, respiration. Yes, the right answer is option A, cutting down of forests. Which of the following state has got largest forest in the country? Option A, Madhya Pradesh, option B, Arunachal Pradesh, option C, Chhattisgarh, option D, Maharashtra. Yes, the right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh state has got largest forest in the country.
Villages around the world are known to be beautiful with wonderful sceneries. In India, majority of people live in villages and are mainly employed in agriculture. Villages are closer to greenery and nature, and hence they breathe fresh air throughout their life. They lead a healthy lifestyle away from dust and pollution of cities. Largely, people are satisfied with whatever they have in life. Villages in India are known for hardworking and simple lifestyle. In this video, we learnt about Khedi village and life of the people in Khedi village, where they work together and live together as one family. They share joy and sorrow as a family. Yes, living together is an art. Let's uphold this art and build up a strong nation. My dear ones, it's my great pleasure to meet you all through this video. Take care, stay healthy. With warm wishes and well regards, yours Shantini. Thank you.